And hello everybody, it's Professor G here, and in today's video, I would like to share a little bit about myself so you can get to know me, but also I will share how I got a passion for public speaking. And hello everybody, welcome back to Speaking with Courage, where we all work together on enhancing our public speaking skills. And today I want to share a little bit about myself and a little bit of how I got a passion for public speaking in hopes that you are able to find that passion for yourself. And if you don't know me, my name is Humberto Gurmilan, but Professor G is what my students call me. You're welcome to call me that. And I got a passion for public speaking a long time ago, which drove me into a career in the media. I have 15 years of experience in the media. I worked as a sports broadcaster in San Diego and Tijuana, covering all sorts of sports. I also worked as a college professor, and I still do that. I've been teaching for the past 10 years, and I'm passionate about teaching public speaking and communication and journalism. But my experience comes also from 25 years of speaking in public. And I'll share that story that really changed things for me, because just like you, or maybe some of you, I was really scared and I was really frightened by the thought of standing or sitting in front of an audience and delivering a presentation. When I was 15 years old, my PE teacher in high school invited me to do a presentation in front of 2,000 students. That's right, the whole school. And I was supposed to present about disability awareness and that sort of topic. And I remember being so scared that I didn't want to go back to school because I knew that she was going to approach me and really encourage me to do it. I was so scared and I was frightened. But one day I sat down with her, with my PE teacher, and she told me that I was going to create a big impact in those students that were going to listen to my story. I believed her. I really believed her, and I decided to do it, even though I was so frightened. So she helped me gain that courage, and I went ahead and did it. And that was an amazing experience. I was able to speak for about 15 minutes in front of that whole group and in front of the whole school. And afterwards, I was so empowered by that moment that I had in front of an audience that I realized that all that I needed to be a good or even an effective public speaker was just to gain the courage. And that's where I come from. I love to help people gain the courage to stand in front of an audience, to record a video in front of a camera, and just to raise your hand in the classroom. Those type of opportunities will help you grow as a human being, will help you grow as an employee, as a boss, as a teacher, as a community leader. There are so many reasons why public speaking is such an important tool that you can have. And what I focus on primarily is to teach not only the nonverbal aspects of public speaking, not only the organizational skills that you need, the writing skills, and really the psychology that you have to have, and even the audience analysis that you have to do. I focus on really just getting people to harness, to gather that courage that they have within, because you have the courage to do it. Everybody has the courage to do it, because if I did it and I became so successful at it, you too have the possibility and the potential to become a great public speaker. So that's a little bit about myself. That's a little bit about my philosophy in public speaking. I truly believe it could change your life because it changed mine, and I was able to accomplish so many great things, from covering amazing boxing fights, championships, to meeting really interesting people in the community, now running for office, and really just sometimes just being a leader within the community to help things change for the better. Public speaking is just such an important tool that you can have, and I hope that you understand this, and I hope that you continue to watch these videos on Speaking with Courage, and hopefully someday I'll get to coach you and help you reach that potential that you have as a public speaker. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I just wanted to really share where my passion for public speaking comes from. I also wanted to share a little bit of my background so you get to know me. Again, my name is Humberto Gurmilan, but you're welcome to call me Professor G, and I'm the founder and creator of Speaking with Courage. If you're serious about enhancing your public speaking skills because you want to be a better presenter, because you want to be a better educator, because you want to be a better salesperson, or even just a better boss or community leader, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I will be sharing more and more information, tips, and tricks on how to enhance your public speaking skills, but most importantly, how to speak with courage. And I'll catch you later.